It's Terry here, and this is an Orchid Diary. And this is a Sunday fun day, and I was out all day yesterday having fun, and I came back and I don't know how, but that steel panel right there was flipped over into the stand across from it. And this was on it. Look how crooked it is. It was bent up. Thankfully, my Filipinas is still with flowers. And I have a surprise that was a shocker to me. This is a bulbophyllum that I just got maybe 2 weeks ago from Jeff Tyler at In Situ. And look, it has already produced a bud. And that was not there when I got it, so I would have noticed it. So that is a good thing. Lots of surprises happening. Now you see this was damaged. It was on the ground when I found it and covered in slugs, and they ate those flowers, and you can see some of it down there. Something else that I found was this open. My Hibiki, Dendrobium hibiki, which is the pink variety, unlike the normal one, which is more of a fuchsia darker purple, not a purple, but pink. There's my Cattleya hybrida going out. And my Dendrobium over there is really putting out the growth. And there is a closer look at that Hibiki, which is a cross. And what else can I show you? Anything else? There might actually be something else. I'll just show you this up close real quick. Myaranthes ramosa. A little bit of dew on it. And another inflorescence right there that's got buds. And speaking of buds, there's a bud. That's my Galliandra pubescentrum. And I don't think there's anything else happening. Really, that's pretty much it, and that's enough. Just a few surprises in the jungle. A few disappointments, but anyhow, this is coming soon. This is a bulbophyllum carunculatum, and it's got 1, 2, and I just saw another inflorescence starting, so that will be really nice. But anyhow, all is well despite the tragedies. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your orchids, folks. And stay tuned for more. Bye.